Today we're talking about the new features in WhatsApp in 2026 and what actually changed. If you use WhatsApp every day, there are some updates here that can completely change the way you message, call, and even share content. So let's break everything down in a simple and clear way. First, one of the biggest updates is the improvement in messaging features. WhatsApp is now focusing more on customization and control. You can now edit messages for a longer period after sending them, giving you more flexibility if you make a mistake or want to change something. There are also better formatting options, so you can organize your messages more clearly, especially in long conversations. Now let's talk about voice and video. Voice messages have been upgraded with better quality and more control. You can now pause and resume recordings more smoothly, and playback feels faster and cleaner for calls. WhatsApp has improved video call stability and quality, even on slower connections. Calls feel more stable and less likely to drop. This is especially useful if you use WhatsApp for work or long-distance communication. Now moving into one of the most important areas, privacy. WhatsApp continues to push strong privacy features in 2026. There are now more advanced controls for who can see your online status, profile photo, and last seen. You also have more control over who can call you or add you to groups. Another key update is improved chat lock features. You can now lock specific chats with better security options, making it easier to keep certain conversations private. Now let's talk about channels and communities. WhatsApp is expanding how you follow content and stay updated. Channels are now more interactive, allowing users to react, share, and engage more easily. Communities have also been improved to help manage large groups more efficiently. This is especially useful for businesses, schools, or large teams. Now let's get into media sharing. Sending photos and videos is now faster and with better quality. WhatsApp is reducing compression, so your media looks sharper when received. There are also new tools for editing images and videos directly inside the app before sending them. This saves time and makes everything more convenient. Another big update is multi-device. Support. WhatsApp has made it even smoother. To use your account across multiple devices, you can switch between your phone, tablet, or computer without losing sync or connection. Everything updates in real time. Now let's talk about AI features in 2026. WhatsApp is starting to integrate more smart tools, things like suggested replies, smarter search inside chats, and better organization of messages. These features are designed to save time and make communication more efficient. There are also improvements in business features. Businesses can now interact with customers more easily using automated responses and better tools for managing conversations. This makes WhatsApp even more powerful for customer support and online services. Now let's talk about overall performance. The app feels faster, smoother, and more responsive. Animations are cleaner, loading times are shorter, and everything just feels more polished. Even older devices can benefit from these optimizations. So, what does all of this mean? It means WhatsApp is no longer just a simple messaging app. It's becoming a complete communication platform. From personal chats to business interactions, everything is more advanced and more flexible. So if you haven't explored these new features yet, now is the time, because these updates can completely change how you use WhatsApp every day. And that's everything you need to know about the new WhatsApp features in 2026 and what actually changed.